It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. There's chips in the air. Okay, that's not the lyrics, but anyway, in today's video, I want to share with you something unbelievable. I mean, this never happens. Literally, this never happens. This is a normal bag of small Cheetos, flaming hot. The flavor doesn't even matter, but do you see this bag? Very small, very cute, very empty. But this bag here, I don't know what happened in this bag. Can you see this? It is so heavy. It's never been opened. But I tell you, this is a fluke. Look at the difference. Let's do a side view. This is incredible. This is what Christmas early looks like. And I'm excited. So we have a science project we have to do at the table. We're gonna weigh it up, both of them, because you guys don't believe me. This is literally a Chester Cheeto unboxing. So come a little closer. You guys will be blown away just as much as I am. You don't believe me. I'm gonna have to show you. The numbers do not tell a fib. So come closer. We have the plates. We're gonna weigh it up. We also have the food scale. Let's do it. All right, guys, as you can see, we are at the table. Let's get started. We have a food scale here. Okay, let's check the weight. 32 grams, guys. That's unbelievable. 32 grams. That's unbelievably scarce. Where's the rest of our chips? But this bag here, oh, Christmas came early. Ain't that right, boys? Ain't that right, girls? Christmas came early. Christmas came early. Christmas came early. Okay, right. Christmas came early. Let's do it. This is from Santa. Oh! Literally double. This is, I told you guys, I did not believe in myself. I picked up the bag. I said, whoa. I say, whoa. I say, whoa, 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 whoa. This is it. So now let's see exactly what it looks like on a bowl. All right, so we're gonna bring this here. We're gonna start with the little cute bag. They cheated us. Cheetos, you gotta do better. We want these. I don't care if you go bankrupt. We want these.
Aww, that's so cute.
And it's even less. It's literally only 30 grams. So you gave us 2 grams of a bag? We don't want that. You could just pour our chips in our mouth. We don't want that. Okay? All right. So now we know exactly what's going on. 30 grams of chips. That's it. They cheated us. They said it was 32 grams. Actually, it is only 27 grams of chips. But this here, this is the mother load. Let's see exactly how many grams this is. See? 0. Whoa, come here. It's filled to the rim. It's literally filled to the rim. If I wanted some, I couldn't even get my hands in. Now let's pour. 70 grams. This is the biggest, well, no, really. This is the smallest, most filled, small bag I've ever seen in my life. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. Well, like I mentioned, Christmas came early this year. Cheeto, all of your little bags need to be 70 grams or more. Thank you, Chester Cheeto. Christmas came early. See you guys on the next one. I got Cheeto C.